In this video, I'm going to show you how to add instruments to Serato Studio. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to the bottom left here and you want to go to Instruments. Now, in here, you'll be able to see all the instruments you currently have access to, and to actually add them on here, you simply want to click on Add Instrument, and it's going to kind of add a new deck over here, and you simply want to find one, you want to click and drag it up top over here, and you've successfully added an instrument. You could then go and, of course, click anywhere you want, and just like this, it's going to, of course, allow you to add your instruments. Now, if you want to add additional ones, what you can do is just get a pack from their website, for example. So they do have these sample packs on their website on Serato.com, and then from here you have like free ones, hip hop, etc. You can get some of these, or of course you can get them from somewhere else. So I'm just gonna go and, for example, select this one over here. I'm gonna download it, and then all you have to do once you get this is essentially just click on it. Okay, so you'll see that I'm going to click on it, and if you remember, it's the Essential East Coast Hip Hop pack. Click on it, it's going to automatically kind of install in here, and you'll see, there we go, they just popped in here. You can go to all Serato packs, and here we have the East Coast, and there we go, that's a few of them over here. I can go ahead and just use these, and of course I've added them that way. Okay, just make sure you have the right to use these if you're using them for any of your projects, but that's how to add instruments to Serato Studio. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.